Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hans Kitchen and Review. Today I'm gonna share with you chicken biryani. Let's start a recipe. First I take a blender, I pulled onions, half cup, add some chilies, I take Bombay chilies which is very spicy, and I also add biryani masala, this chicken biryani masala, and I also add 2 green chilies and red chili powder because of spices. Add some cumin powder, add some salt to your taste, and then add some garlic and ginger paste, add some nut paste, add some yogurt, this is sour yogurt, then blend all the ingredients. Look at the color and texture. Then I take the chicken, I take 2 whole chicken and slices like roast. Then I pulled the mixture which is I already blended into the chicken, and I marinate it for 1 to 3 hours. If you don't have any time, you marinate for 1 hour. And the best marination time is one night or one day. Then mix it all the masalas with chickens. Then I take a pan, I pour some oil, I'm waiting for hot this oil. Then I pour the chickens which is I already marinated and pour this. I fry it total 25 minutes in medium low heat. Fry this very well. After 10 minutes, this is almost boiled yet. And after 5 minutes, mix it very carefully. Then after 20 minutes, my chicken is almost done. But sorry, I don't fry it. I cooked it very well. Now I add some ghee. And cover up again, and after 5 minutes, this is done. Then I take a big pan. Now I poured in this pan rice which is I already boiled it. This is not basmati rice, this is pulao rice. Now I decorated it layer by layer. Now I add chicken which is already cooked and add some aloo bukharas. Then I add some chilies for flavor. Then add rice again. To this matter, I again repeat. Add some rice, add some chickens, add some aloo bukharas, and add some green chilies. My chicken and rice is already cooked. Now I just mixed it very well, and I also add ghee. Ghee's flavor is my favorite, and I also add some water. Now I again pulled the chickens and broth. Add some aloo bukharas and green chilies. Now I pulled again rice. This is my last layer. Now look at this. Now I add some cheese. Add some water. Add some color. Then I cover up and cooked it for 10 minutes. Now I mixed it with chicken and rice very well and very carefully. Look at this. This is looking so yummy and delicious. And after 5 minutes, this is done. Now I decorate it into the plate, and this is the last look. So if you like my video, please like, comment, share, subscribe and follow my channel. Assalamualaikum.